Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put in this GTX 560 video card into your computer. First of all, what you're going to notice is it's really wide at the front, so I had to remove two of the expansion bay placeholders so that way it would fit. And then I'm going to put it in one of these PCI Express slots. And this is the little lock mechanism that connects to this little hook right here that keeps it held down in place. So all you do is you make sure that you match up the short part and the long part with the short part and the long part of the chip to the PCI Express slot. Get it in place and you press down until you hear it pop. And the popping sound is the lever for the hook, placeholder hook, to hold the video card in place. And I will take the hooks that I took out of the suspension slot placeholders and I will put it on the video card to help hold it in place. After I get done putting these hooks back, or these screws in, we're going to hook up the power supply to the video card. Alright, these two plugs back here are the plugs for the power, and that's what they look like right there. And all you do is you take it, match up the plug, plug it in, take the other one, plug the other one in. There we go. Alright, now we have power to our GTX 560 video card. Now we just gotta get it turned on and make sure all the drivers are up to date, and just go to the website or the manufacturer's website and make sure you do an update. And that's it for the video card.